Holiday flights can feel like a crowded train at rush hour. Prices rise, lines stretch, small delays snowball, but many of the solutions are already in your wallet. Even on cards you're not using to buy your ticket. Today, we unlock those hidden perks. We will focus on lounges you can access without charging the airfare, faster security, seat upgrades, fee credits, and the travel insurance rules that actually matter. This is a practical step-by-step guide for a calmer gate experience. It is built for holiday travel. It is built for you. You will save time. You can save real money. We will keep this simple, no tricks, no jargon. If you have a premium card, a co-branded airline card, or an older card sitting in a drawer, there's a good chance it can make your trip smoother. Let us get you from curb to seat with less stress. First, lounges. This is the biggest relief valve during holiday chaos. Many credit cards give lounge access even if you did not pay for the flight with that card. The access is tied to the membership, not the transaction. That means you can book with miles, use another card for the fare, and still walk into the lounge with the card that carries the benefit. How to check quickly? Look up your card's lounge partners. It might be an airline lounge or a network like Priority Pass. Some banks also have their own branded lounges. Download the Lounge Network app. Create an account, add your card. Many apps show guest rules, time limits, and peak hour restrictions. They also show which lounges accept a digital card versus a physical card. If you prefer paper in hand, request the physical lounge card today. It can take days to arrive. Do not wait until departure day. At the airport, match the lounge to your terminal and departure gate. Some lounges are before security. Some are in satellite piers. Give yourself a clearer path, especially if you use a wheelchair or need extra time. If your card allows guests, confirm if it is one guest or two. Guest rules can change in December. Staff will scan your boarding pass and your lounge credential. Remember, your airfare did not have to be paid with a lounge card. Only same-day boarding is usually required. Early community check. Tell me in the comments which card you have and your home airport. I will reply with the lounges most likely to help on your route. That way you walk in confident, not guessing at the door. Next, speed. Many premium cards reimburse programs like Global Entry, TSA PreCheck, or a fast-track lane abroad. Once you have the membership, you keep using the fast lane no matter which card paid for the ticket. If your renewal window is open, charge the fee to the card that still offers the credit. Then add the known traveler number to every booking. You can add it online, by phone, or at check-in. It takes minutes. It saves hours in December. Now seats and upgrades. Airline co-branded cards often unlock preferred seats, early boarding, or even complimentary upgrades for elites on domestic routes. Here is the key. The upgrade link is your frequent flyer number, not the card you use at checkout. Make sure your loyalty number is in the reservation. If you booked through an online agency, log into the airline site and attach your number. You can also ask at the airport desk. Once the number is attached, you enter the upgrade queue automatically if your fare class is eligible. Some cards include companion certificates or cabin upgrade vouchers. These are powerful during the holidays when fares spike. If you hold one, check the expiry date. Book sooner, not later. If the voucher requires a revenue ticket, you may still book the trip with your preferred payment method and apply the companion benefit within the airline's rules. For seniors who prefer aisle seats or extra leg room, your co-branded card may open those rows at no extra cost or at a reduced fee. Always sign in before seat selection, so the system shows your unlocked options. If you travel with family, add all passengers under one record to share the boarding position and seat perks. Insurance is where details matter. Many cards include trip delay, cancellation, or lost baggage protection, but most of these benefits require that you charge the fare, or at least the taxes and fees, to the card. Here is the nuance for holiday award travel. If you booked a flight with miles, the taxes and fees are often enough to activate coverage when paid with the right card. Read your benefit guide for the trigger words. Look for phrases like covered trip, common carrier, or award tickets included. If your flight was paid by a family member, ask it whether you can repay the taxes with your card to meet the trigger. What if you forgot and used another card? Do not panic. Some protections like lounge access, elite status perks, or companion guesting are membership-based. They still apply. For insurance claims, though, keep every receipt if delays hit. Save boarding passes, meal invoices, hotel folios, and any emails from the airline. If a winter storm reroutes you overnight, you want proof of the timeline. Senior travelers, photograph your medication labels and packing list. It helps if a bag misses the connection and the insurer asks for contents. Now, easy savings you can still unlock this month. Many cards include airline incidental credits. They can reimburse checked bag fees, seat selection on some fares, same-day confirmed change fees, or onboard Wi-Fi. The airfare itself does not need to be charged to that card. You only need to pay the incidental fee with the credit card that grants the benefit. Choose your eligible airline if the benefit requires it. Then pay the fee and check for a statement credit within a few days. Co-branded airline cards often waive the first checked bag for you, and sometimes a companion on the same reservation. That waiver is tied to your loyalty number on the booking, not the card used at checkout. Make sure the number is present. Then verify the airline app shows your bag fee as waived before you reach the counter. If you have elite status via card, you may also board earlier. Early boarding helps you find overhead space during packed holiday departures. Some premium cards throw in credits for Clear, ride shares to the airport through select partners, or even food at specific airport vendors. Holiday delays are common. If your card offers trip delay coverage, it usually kicks in after a set number of hours or an overnight stay. To make it active, you typically must charge the fare, or at least part of it, to that card. If your flight is an award ticket, pay the taxes with your coverage card. If the ticket is already paid, one workaround is paying a change fee or seat assignment fee with the coverage card before you travel. Some issuers count that as tying the trip to the card. Confirm your terms first. Now, rentals. Many travelers drive at the destination. Some cards include a collision damage waiver for rentals. It might be primary or secondary. For this benefit, you must pay for the rental with that card and decline the agency's coverage. If you book the car online with another card, call the rental counter and ask to switch the payment card at pickup. That often updates the authorization and keeps your coverage clean. Photograph the car at pickup and return. Keep the fuel receipt in the final invoice. Simple habits protect you if a claim starts weeks later. Let us put it all on a simple timeline. 2 weeks before departure, enroll in any lounge program your card requires. Order the physical lounge card if needed. Download the lounge and airline apps. Add your cards to each app profile. In your airline profiles, confirm your frequent flyer number, known traveler number, and passport details. Clean profiles prevent check-in errors that cause desk lines. 1 week out, check seat maps. Sign in so your card-linked perks show up. Move to an aisle or bulkhead if available. If you use mobility assistance, request a wheelchair or escort directly with the airline. Premium cards with concierge lines can help, but the airline allocates the service. If you have a companion certificate, decide now. Holiday seats fill fast. If you cannot use it this year, set a reminder for the first week of the new year and plan a spring trip. 72 hours before departure, verify your lounge options at your departure and connection points. Some lounges cap entries during rush hours. Have a backup. Check the weather at both airports. If a system is moving in, consider same-day change options. Elite status from a card can reduce or waive these fees on some carriers. 24 hours out, recheck your known traveler number on the booking. If it is missing, add it and reprint the boarding pass. At the airport, follow the calm path. Breeze through the fast line. Head to the lounge for a seat, power, and a hot drink. If a delay pops up, open your benefit guide in the app. Let us wrap up with a calm plan. Your credit cards can do real work even when you do not use them to buy the ticket. Lounges reduce the stress of crowded gates. Fast Track programs shrink security time. Co-branded cards unlock better seats, early boarding, and checked bag waivers through your loyalty number. Incidental credits cover Wi-Fi and seat fees. Insurance can protect you from delays and lost bags when you tie the trip to the right card with the taxes or a qualifying fee. Before your next holiday flight, pick 2 actions. Enroll in lounge access and verify your known traveler number, or attach your frequent flyer number and switch your rental payment card. Quick wins, big returns. For seniors, double-check assistance requests, medication packing, and digital copies of documents. Keep receipts tidy if winter weather hits. The goal is not magic. It is pressure relief, clear steps, less friction from curb to seat. Now I want to hear from you. Drop one comment with the single perk you activated today and where you are flying for the holidays. Your tip might help another traveler avoid a line, save a fee, or make a smooth connection. Thank you for spending time here. Travel safe, travel smart, and may your holiday flight feel like an early boarding call, not a sprint down the concourse.